Are you looking for the top 5 best indoor grills you need now? Tired of battling the elements just to enjoy a grilled meal? Here are the 5 best indoor grills I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill. The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill is a sleek option priced at $149.99. What caught my attention right away was its ability to tackle both grilling and griddling with interchangeable plates. If you want a reliable indoor grill that keeps your food delicious and hassle-free, this is worth a serious look. Let's talk about why this Ninja Grill stands out. The 500-degree Fahrenheit max heat allows you to sear steaks and burgers like a pro, giving you those char marks right in your kitchen. Plus, with edge-to-edge cooking, you don't have to worry about cold spots ruining your meals. It can fit a family-sized feast, cooking up to 6 burgers or pancakes at once, making it perfect for family gatherings. And clean up? A breeze, since both the grill and griddle plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're not just getting a grill, you're getting a multifunctional cooking tool that won't leave you sweating over the stove. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about indoor grilling, this extra space can be a blessing, especially when cooking for multiple people. If you're single or only cooking for 2, the space might feel excessive, but it's perfect if you love hosting. This is perfect for you if you love grilling all year round without the hassles of weather, but skip this one if you're short on kitchen counter space or primarily cooking for just 1 or 2 people. At $149.99. Product number 2, Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill is a bit pricier at $279.99, but its 6-in-1 capabilities really got my attention. If you want an all-in-one appliance that can grill, air fry, and more, this is worth a serious look. What makes this grill special is its Smart Cook system. This means you can set your desired doneness level, whether you want that steak rare or well done, and the grill's smart thermometer does the rest. The cyclonic grilling technology gives your food that authentic barbecue flavor, so you can enjoy delicious grilled meals indoors, even in apartments. And with a capacity that can fit up to 6 steaks, this is a game changer for family dinners. Plus, it helps you cook healthier, using up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying. Here's why this matters for you. Healthier cooking without sacrificing taste is a win-win. However, some users mention that it can take a while to preheat. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're looking for something to throw on and instantly cook, this might not be the quickest option. But once it's heated, the results are well worth the wait, especially if you value taste and health. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, multifunctional appliance that delivers mouth-watering meals. But skip this one if you want something more straightforward without the bells and whistles. At $279.99, Product number 3, Ninja Sizzle Pro XL. The Ninja Sizzle Pro XL is priced at $199.99 and boasts an impressive 20-inch cooking surface. I was really impressed with how much food it can handle at once. If you want an indoor grill that can truly feed a crowd, this is worth a serious look. This grill features even edge-to-edge heating, which means you won't have to deal with those frustrating hot or cold spots that ruin perfectly cooked food. The temperature control lets you dial in anywhere from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can customize your cooking based on what you're making, whether it's delicate veggies or hearty steaks. And with its detachable ventilated lid, you get reduced splatter, so your kitchen stays cleaner. Here's why this matters for you. Consistent cooking means perfect meals and less hassle cleaning up afterwards. Now, some users have mentioned it can be a bit bulky to store. But look, if you're cooking for large gatherings or family meals, that size can become an asset rather than a burden. If space in your kitchen is really tight, then it might be a slight drawback, but for most, it's a worthwhile trade-off for capacity. This is perfect for you if you regularly cook for large groups or love hosting family gatherings. But skip this one if your kitchen storage is already bursting at the seams. At $199.99, it delivers excellent performance for its price. Product number 4, Cuisinart Griddler. The Cuisinart Griddler comes in at $121, and it's a compact option that caught my eye due to its 5-in-1 functionality. If you want versatility without taking up too much space, this is worth a serious look. This grill is not just a grill, it's also a panini press and even a griddle. You can cook pancakes, grilled cheese, or a full meal all in one device.
With dual temperature controls, you can cook different foods at the same time without a hitch. This is especially useful if you have kids or different preferences at the table. The nonstick plates are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Here's why this matters for you. If you're short on space and time, this appliance can do it all without breaking the bank. However, some people found that it can struggle with thicker meats. Here's the thing though, if you're not cooking for a crowd or primarily grilling smaller items, this should suit your needs just fine. It's not a deal breaker unless you're looking to grill larger cuts regularly. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, multifunctional appliance for quick meals. But skip this one if you're primarily grilling larger cuts of meat. At $121, it's a great value for a versatile kitchen tool. Now, if you want something even more advanced with all the bells and whistles, the last product on this list.
Product number 5. Ninja Foodi Smart XL Second Generation. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Second Generation is priced at $272.99, and it's an updated version that still boasts fantastic features. If you want the latest technology in indoor grilling, this is worth a serious look. It combines all the functions of air frying, grilling, roasting, and more, all while using a smart cook system that takes the guesswork out of cooking. Just like the previous model, it features cyclonic grilling technology that ensures even cooking with delicious char marks. This is perfect for anyone who loves a good grilled flavor but wants the convenience of indoor cooking. Plus, with up to 75% less fat, it's a solid option for health-conscious eaters. Here's why this matters for you. You can enjoy all of your favorite grilled foods without the guilt. However, one downside noted by some users is the learning curve that comes with its features. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're not tech savvy or prefer something straightforward, this could be a bit frustrating. But once you get the hang of it, the results are worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want the latest indoor grilling technology and can handle a bit of a learning curve. But skip this one if you prefer a simpler grill experience. At $272.99, you're getting a high-tech appliance that offers excellent versatility. Now, let's wrap things up and compare all these fantastic options. So there you have it, 5 fantastic indoor grills to consider. The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill is great for versatile cooking, while the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill stands out for its smart features and air frying capabilities. The Ninja Sizzle Pro XL is perfect for large groups, and the Cuisinart Griddler offers excellent value for compact cooking. Finally, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Second Gen is a high-tech option for those who want the latest features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill because it really blends versatility with convenience. But I'd avoid the Cuisinart if you're looking for something robust for larger meat cuts. I've put all the links in the description